So today we are going to learn one new lesson of your English grammar textbook. The name of this topic is The King and His Lazy Subjects. So in the picture we can see that there is one king, and that king he is doing some work. So what the king is going to do, that we will come to know after reading the story. There was once a king who was very sad because his people were lazy. One day he decided to test them. He buried some treasure in the middle of the main street and put huge stones on the spot. He then disguised himself and waited to see what his subjects would do. No one cleared the road. So the king himself boulders and showed them the treasure that was buried there. You see, he said, if you had only not been lazy, this treasure would have been yours. So now, once upon a time, there was one king, and that king, he was very sad. He was sad because his people were very lazy. They did not work, only they loved to do what? They used to sleep all the time. They did not like to work. They were very lazy and slow. So one day the king thought that he is going to test his people. He wanted to see that his people will work or no. So he gets one idea to check whether his people are lazy or not. So one day what he did, in the middle of the road, he buried some of the treasure. What he did, he dig one hole, and in that hole he buried the treasure on the main road, and he covered the treasure with big stones. When the people were coming from there, what did the king do? The king, he took one shawl, and see here how the king is sitting beside the road. Near the road he is sitting. He is hiding and seeing that what his people are going to do. Are they going to remove the stones, or they are not going to do any work? So the king, what he did, he took one shawl and he sat there to look at his people. When he was sitting there, he saw that none of his people were able to remove that stones. Why they were not able to remove the stones? Because they did not wanted to work. उनको काम ही नहीं करना था. That's why they did not even touch the stones. They were walking on the road, but they did not even thought of picking up the stones. They were going from the side, but they did not picked it up. Why they did not picked it up? Because they were very lazy and they did not wanted to work. उनको काम ही नहीं करना था. जैसे लाइफ चल रही है वैसे उन लोग चला रहे थे. अगर कोई भी लेज़ी नहीं होता तो वो क्या करते? इतने रोड में पत्थर है, किसी को लग सकता है, तो वो पत्थर उठा के साइड में रख सकते थे, बट उन्होंने नहीं उठाया. Why they did not picked up? Because they were lazy. They did not wanted to work. So the king, he got very angry that why the people are not working. So what did the king do? The king, he himself stood up and he removed the treasure which he had buried over there. किंग ने क्या किया? वो जो सोना उसने छुपाया था, ट्रेजर जो उसने बरी किया था, वो किंग ने खुद ही जाके निकाल लिया. And he said the people that, see, if you have worked and left your laziness behind, this treasure, this gold, this money would have been yours if you would have worked, or if you would have picked up the stones, so you would have been very rich. अगर आपने ये सोना अगर आप ये पत्थर साइड में करते थे तो आज ये सारा सोना किसका होता था? आपका होता था. Just because you all are doing laziness in your work, you have got nothing. So what is the king trying to tell us? The king is trying to tell us that we should never be lazy. If we are lazy, we will not get anything. अगर हमने काम ही नहीं किया तो हमें कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. तो हमें क्या करना है? हमें lazy नहीं बनना है. We should not be lazy. We should complete all our work on time. So these are the question answers. I will read the question answers for you. Question number 1. Why was the king very sad? Answer. The king was sad because his people were lazy. Question number 2. Where did the king bury the treasure? Answer. The king buried the treasure in the middle of the main street. Question number 3. Why did the king bury the treasure? Answer. The king buried the treasure to test his people. 4. What is the moral of the story? Now, what is the moral of the story means what we have learned from this story. So what we have learned from this story? That you should never be lazy. Question number 5. Answer the following in one word from the passage above. So here they have given us some words and we have to describe the words in one word. ये जो इन्होंने हमें यहाँ पे 3-4 words दिए हैं उसका हमें मीनिंग लिखना है. वन वर्ड का आंसर ढूंढना है उसके लिए. फर्स्ट वन, पीपल इन द किंगडम. व्हाट आर द पीपल इन द किंगडम कॉल्ड? जो लोग किंगडम में रहते थे उन्हें क्या बुलाया है इस स्टोरी में? दे आर कॉल्ड एज सब्जेक्ट्स. सेकेंड, वेल्थ. वेल्थ मीन्स ट्रेजर, सोना, मनी, गोल्ड. इट इज कॉल्ड एज वेल्थ और ट्रेजर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, अनविलिंग टू वर्क. Answer is lazy. Unwilling to work means lazy. Unwilling to work means lazy. They do not want to work. Fourth, make unrecognizable. Answer, disguised. Make unrecognizable मतलब हमें पहचानने में ही नहीं आएगा. We are not able to guess that who is the person. So this was your lesson of your grammar. So I hope so you have understood this lesson and you will also learn that you should never be lazy and complete all your work on time.